How you doing? My name's Dan from Total Restoration Services. Let's talk a little bit about the nailing zone. Now, the nailing zone in roofing, particularly when we're installing asphalt shingles, refers to the area where nails are driven through the shingle into the roof deck or substrate below. This zone is critical for several reasons. Number one, waterproofing. Proper nailing ensures that shingles are securely fastened to the roof, preventing them from being lifted or blown off by wind, rain, or other severe weather conditions. This helps maintain the integrity of the roof and prevents water infiltration, which can lead to leaks and damage to the underlying structure. Wind resistance. Nailing shingles in the designated zone helps enhance the roof's resistance to wind uplift. When shingles are properly nailed according to manufacturer specifications, they form a tight seal and interlock with adjacent shingles, creating a cohesive layer that is less susceptible to being torn off or lifted by strong winds. Aesthetic appeal. Nailing shingles within the specified zone ensures a neat and uniform appearance across the roof surface. Consistent nail placement helps maintain the intended pattern and alignment of the shingles, contributing to the overall visual appeal of the roof. The manufacturer's warranty. Well, many roofing material manufacturers provide specific guidelines for proper installation, including the correct nailing pattern and location. Adhering to these instructions is essential for preserving the warranty coverage. Improper nailing techniques or placements may void the warranty, leaving the homeowner responsible for any future issues. Nailing shingles in the designated zone helps distribute the load evenly across the roof deck, reducing the risk of damage to the underlying structure. Properly secured shingles contribute to the overall stability and longevity of the roofing system. The nailing zone is crucial for ensuring the durability, weather resistance, and aesthetics quality of a roofing system. Following the guidelines that the manufacturer gives you and the industry for best nailing practices of shingles helps maximize the performance and longevity of the roof while maintaining warranty coverage. My name is Dan from Total Restoration Services. Give us a call for all your windows, doors, roofing, siding, and gutter needs. 262-334-9110. We'll see you somewhere.